know, you are welcome. So today is going to be about how to talk to women to make them turn on when you are around them and when you are speaking to them. When you are speaking to a woman, when you are in conversation with a woman that you just come to know for the first time, just like a new person into your life, and you want sexual attraction, you don't want only just talk, or you are trying to do some experiment. Always talk sexual talk. Always bring up the conversation that will make her get wet, that will make her want to get those butterflies in her tummy, you know, those talk that will make her think about you when she gets home, or you just being around her. You being around her alone will make her horny for you. It's about you bringing her into the conversation. Always bring her to the conversation, into what you are doing, and make a sexual statement or sexual words, you know. Like if you are doing the same thing together, it can be in your working place, it can be anywhere. It can be that you just meet her on the road. It can just be like somebody just walking by in the street and you are just talking to this person, or you're in the bar. Make reference of anything around there and make her be in the picture and talk sexual stuff that you are doing with her. That will make her sexually attracted to you, and she will throw herself to you. She will want to make sure you guys come together. You guys make anything physical because you have turned her on. And out there today, because of the feminine world that every other society is turning into now, men aren't open again. Men aren't direct as we were before, once upon a time. And ladies are catching up on guys just faking their real thoughts, their real wants, what they really need from a woman. Women are very sensitive, and they are noticing that you are direct, you that you say what you have in your mind, you that you know that you want to have a sexual encounter with this lady. She will give you the thumbs up, and she will look you in a high value manner, like you are not one of those guys out there. You are not one of those shy people out there wanting something but they'll be scared of it, or they'll be beating around the bush, trying to make friends, trying to make her just see you as a very good person. Whereas you want to really make the love that we are really doing, that we really want. So always pay that and bear that in mind. Talk sexual stuff with her. Ladies, whenever you come across any lady and you get talking to her, you get close to her, she automatically know that you want sexual encounter with her. So make that known, and let those ones that they are not meant to make love with you, let them go. Maybe they might be married, they might be with a boyfriend, or they might be in other relationship. So bear that in mind. Always make your sexual want come forward and put her in the middle. Don't just go direct and start saying, I want to fuck you, I want to make love with you. No. When you're talking, make sure you bring her into the conversation and make sexual references to whatever you're talking about that you are doing to her, you know. So that is it. I'll catch you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah. Life is great. If you're watching me for the first time, feel free to subscribe and like. What do you think about what I said? Let me know down in the comments. Cheers.